Okay, Year 11, what I'd like you to do for this lesson, please, is write the title Area of an L shape. I would like to write the learning objective, which is understand how to calculate an area of a compound shape, and that's grade 3. And then what I'd like to do is copy out this shape down here. And what we're going to be doing in this lesson is we're going to work out how to find the area of the shape. So if I leave your teacher time just to pause the video so that you got time to copy it down. And now we're going to have a look at how to find this area. So the key thing with an L shape is you've got to split it up into two separate rectangles. Now, we've done a bunch of this in the past, but it doesn't matter whether or not we split it going up like that, or whether or not we split it going across like that. It will still give the same answer. Okay, so if we split it going across this way, then what we've got is initially here we've got a 3 by 9 rectangle. So the way you work out the area of a rectangle is 3 times 9, which is 27 centimetres squared. And then the next thing we've got to do is we've got to work out the area of this rectangle here. Now the thing where people make mistakes, there's two mistakes that people make. They either do 4 times 8 and work out and write that as the answer to this area here, or they think, okay, well I've chopped it in half, so that's going to be 4 and that's going to be 4. So they do 4 times 4 centimetres. But of course, this length here isn't 4 centimetres. What we do know is that here, all the way down to here, that's 8 centimetres, as it says there. However, the top bit of it, here, so this length here, we've already seen is 3 centimetres. So therefore, the bit underneath must make it add up to the 8 centimetres. So what that means is that the bottom bit must be 5 centimetres, and that's the key to this question. If we do that again, so we've split the shape going across there, and now we know that this bit here is 3 centimetres, so we know that this bit here must be 5 centimetres. So we've got this rectangle, and that's 4 by 5 centimetres, which is 20 centimetres squared. Remember, the area is always going to be either centimetre squared, millimetre squared, or something like that. What you've done is once you've worked out the area of both of them, you add them together. So 27 centimetres squared plus 20 centimetres squared is 47 centimetres squared. Okay, let's have a look at another example. So again, it's a different unit of measurement, 20 millimetres and 6 millimetres. So when we work out the area, it's going to be millimetres squared. Now this one, what I would do is I would write it going down there. Then I've got this rectangle here, and that one is 20 millimetres by 6 millimetres. So 20 times 6. You don't need to calculate for this. Just do 2 times 6, which is 12. Then you've got 1 0 to put on the end. So that's going to be 120 millimetres squared. And then what we've got to do is we've got to work out what this is here. So we know it's going to be 10 millimetres times by this height. Now what we know so far is that the whole height down here, we know that's 20 millimetres. And we know this height here is 15 millimetres. So we need to know what's missing. So we need to know what that bit is there. And so what do you need to add on to 15 to get to 20? Well, it's going to be an extra 5 millimetres, or 5 millimetres. So we know all of that is 20 millimetres. We know this bit here is going to be 15 millimetres, which gives us 5 millimetres there. So 10 millimetres times 5 millimetres is 50 millimetres squared. Then once you've done that, you need to add them two together. So 120 millimetres squared plus 50 millimetres squared. That gives us 170 millimetres squared. Okay, so once you've copied down those examples, what I want you to do is you should have worksheets, and I think it's just a double-sided worksheet. I want you to work your way through these questions here, please. Okay, thank you very much.